That's a peony, dude.
You take it home and plant it?
No.
What I want
It's for you. Hey guys, we're out here at QD. We're doing a commercial landscape. We're putting in trees, shrubs, perennials. We're also gonna grade this out and do some seed out here. They did an expansion on their building and now we're just here to do the finished work. Don't have to worry about grading up to the concrete, you're fine there. I told them the grade of the bed's pretty much gonna be what we have right here. Okay. Don't worry about that. These are all plants. We gotta get all this trash out of here. I would just run the Harley rake over this at this point.
Yeah, this stuff's not bad. All the way to that pole's not bad.
Yeah. This whole backside is at your discretion. Do something here. Like, they did some work here with the new concrete. So I would Harley rake it. Like, this is so high right here. This is lower right through there. Cut this out, do fresh soil and grade right up through here. But you can keep the other half as it is. Damn, I almost just broke my ankle. Like everything from here, and then like on over, all brand new. You can take this fence out. Up in here, I had a bunch of flags. I guess the mowing company took them out. This is gonna be a landscape bed. From here,
half of it?
Yeah, half of it. And it kind of curves on down right at the pole. That's the full loop. That's the full walk around. I'll look at the plan. I'll pop some flags in, some key places real quick if I think it needs it, and then I gotta go.
Out here today at QD on North Lansing. We got plants in yesterday, did a bunch of Harley raking. We got edging and trees going in today. The guys are up front mulching. So I think we got about one more day if the rain works out for us in our favor. But if not, we'll be back here Monday to finish it up. Jake here again with Foxscapes, trying to get it finished up for the week. We're out here laying down our straw mat. We got seed furred, going in a few other spots. Should have it wrapped up by the end of the day.
Our client wanted us to do all of the finished landscape at this property once the construction was done. For commercial landscapes, a lot of the times the plants are going to be drought resistant and they're going to be native. Here we've got serviceberry trees, chokeberry bushes, and we got perennial grasses. For the landscaping, we went with a mulch bed. It's just more friendly to the plants in general. For the lawn, we used erosion blankets. We want to hold that soil and seed in place until it can establish. A good amount of the lawn area does have a steep slope to it, so that erosion blanket will ensure that that seed's going to remain. In just over a month, this place is going to be beautiful with green grass and blooming plants.